Where are we going?
I'm going to look for Christmas and snowflake.
We're gonna go find the elves. Gonna go find the elves. Don't look like they're in here. Doesn't look like they're in here either. No, I was downstairs. They weren't downstairs. They're not downstairs.
They were there last year.
I know, but I was just down there. They're not down there.
How do you know?
Because I just saw them. I just saw them. Nope. Keep walking. Did I open the fridge? They were already in the fridge. They have to be in the fridge.
Down there.
It looks like Christmas got on the bike. Look it. And Snowflake is, she's holding the thing for Seaside Heights. You can come in this way. Christmas is silly. It's pretty funny. They tricked you good today. Okay. That's all for Ashley Rocks this morning. See you next time on Ashley Rocks.